Vulcan, the eco-friendly anti-scale system. Made in Germany.
Vulcan is an eco-friendly water treatment system that prevents limescale deposits and rust in piping systems and equipment. Vulcan also gently reduces existing limescale deposits in old pipes and appliances. The eco-friendly Vulcan Impulse technology works without salt, without chemicals, and without magnetism, and thus protects the environment. The eco-friendly Vulcan Anti-Scale System is installed at the Intercommunal Aqua Center in Saint-Amand, France. The Aqua Center offers a small 350 square meter pool with a learning area, massage beds, water jets, and bubbles. There's also a larger pool of 625 square meters, which is 25 meters long, with 10 lanes for swimming. The Vulcan S25 is installed. More Vulcan references, studies, and test reports you can see on our website, cuwtvulcan.com. Contact your local Vulcan distributor to get a Vulcan test unit for your application.